USA, USA at large, Carmela Marcella Garcia. Let's hear it for Carmela Marcella Garcia. The reigning Miss Gay USA at large, Chelsea Pearl. From Indianapolis, Indiana, I give you the reigning Miss USA at large, Chelsea Pearl. The reigning Mr. USA, DeAndre. the goddesses as they march. Sing for these girls. They look gorgeous tonight. Before we introduce the reigning Miss Gay US of A, and she does her first number, we must say thank you to a former Miss USA at large that is at the door tonight and couldn't walk the road. Let's hear for Nancy Newton. She's here. Thanks, Nancy. You got the door and you worked your butt off all week. Thank you. We're here to recognize you. Ladies and gentlemen, the reigning Miss Gay US of A from Chicago, Illinois, Maya Douglas. Wait a minute, honey. I gotta make money now, so I'm gonna do a quick prop change. We would like to remind you that out front at the front door, we have a program. It is $5. It is a gorgeous picture of Maya and gobs of all the former Miss USAs and a lot of the contestants. It's a great, great program. And so what you got to do is you pay $5 and all proceeds go to the Tandy Andrews Benevolent Fund of San Antonio. Mr. DJ, you just let Maya say, well, it's prepared with these four fire marshals. You need to back up in front of the exit doors so we get started here. Okay? So you ready out there? Get the music cranked up, Mr. DJ. Contestant number one, Marina St. Cartier. Contestant number two, Amber Starr. Contestant number three, Kelly Hart. Contestant number four, Marissa Devine. Hands together for these girls. Contestant number five, Dominique Chappelle. Contestant number six, Clarissa Cavalier. Contestant number seven, Tasha James. Contestant number eight, India Sherry. Contestant number nine, Corey Warren. Contestant number 10, Sylvia Scarlett. Contestant number 11, Paola Robinson. Contestant number 12, Vanessa Shante Diva. Contestant number 13, Martina Desiree. Contestant number 14, Courtney Manuel. Mercedes Seville. Contestant number 16, Rebecca Bland. Contestant number 17, Victoria Snow. Contestant number 18, Ginger Manchester. Number 19, Latina Mondale. 20, Raquel Scott. 21, Christina Nielsen. 22, Tavia Rock. 23, Rachel Eriks. 24, Jerry Pike. 25, Chichi Gabriel. 26, Dana Matthews. 27, Whitney Page. 28, Alexis Kelly. 29, Molly Madison. 30, Loretta Moore. 31, Danielle Delro. 32, Trina Collins. 35, Janelle. Contestant number 36, Michael Morelli. Contestant number 39, Tara Mason. Contestant number 40, Christy Lowe. Contestant number 41, Jennifer Warner. Contestant number 42, Jordan Sachs. Contestant number 43, Ron Brooks. Contestant number 44, Teresa Shaw. Contestant number 45, Ashley Cruz. Contestant number 46, Luana Moore. Contestant number 47, Terry Lee Ross. Contestant number 48, Ada St. James. Contestant number 49, L'Oreal. Contestant number 50, Alexis Principal. Contestant 51, Jamie Perry. Contestant 52, Vicky Lux. Contestant number 53, Shay Shay Reese. Contestant number 54, Victoria Taylor. Contestant number 55, China Blue. Contestant number 57, Victoria Lace. Contestant number 58, Shannon Cole. Contestant number 59, Ashley Andrews. Contestant number 60, Racine Scott. Contestant number 61, Jennifer through 12. Their number is no longer what they were before. And tonight, they are going to tear it down because we will have a new Miss USA in about 2 hours. Finalists, number 1 this evening. And girls, if you'll line up between these dragons up front, straight across, it'll be delicious. Finalist number 1, Shay Shay Reese. Finalist number 2, Victoria Lace. Finalist number 3, Jacqueline Miller. Finalist number 4, Courtney Manuel. Finalist number 5, Natasha Richards. Finalist number 6, Monica Monroe. We're halfway there, girls. Are you just shaking? Finalist number 7, Whitney Page. Finalist number 8, Kelly Lauren. Finalist number 9, Misty Knight. Finalist number 10, Victoria West. Just kind of squeeze together, girls. Squeeze together, girls. We got 2 more that are just up there shaking. And finally, number 11, Ashley Cruz. And one last finalist. And when we name this finalist, we will let the girls leave to go get ready, and then we're going to announce our best non-finalist, most beautiful, and Miss Congeniality. And our last finalist tonight is finalist number 12, Ginger Manchester. Let's hear it for all 12 finalists. Hands together. Starting off with Ginger, if you will exit. Ginger Manchester, Ashley Cruz, Victoria West, Misty Knight, Kelly Lauren, Whitney Page, Monica Monroe, Natasha Richards, Courtney Manuel, Jacqueline Devereaux, Victoria Lace, and Shay Shay Reese. At this time, we are going to announce our best non-finalist this evening, which means she was 1 hair right next, and that is finalist. Our best non-finalist this evening is Dominique Chappelle. Walk the runway, girl. You deserve it. The most beautiful work voted on by our judges for the most beautiful goddess in the contest is Jennifer Warren. Off the runway, guys. And Miss Congeniality voted on by the girls, Fallon Scott. And let's hear it for all of our contestants tonight. They've been great. Thank you, girls. You start off with the front row and exit. Let's hear it for all the girls. get you one if you want it. Sorry, but it's a long line over there. We've got to get everybody off here. We will be introducing our judges a little later on, so you know who's in charge of all this. And they will be coming up with a Miss Gay USA tonight. They have a tough job ahead of them. We will introduce the judges in just a moment. We have some special guests in the house this evening, and we're going to have them walk. It'd be hot up in here. We're going to ask them to walk the runway. There's several other national female impersonation pageants around the country, and we have some of the national title holders in the house that we want to say thank you for coming out this evening, and we want to recognize them, so we will let them take a walk down the runway platform, okay? At this time in the house, we have the reigning Miss Gay America. Let's hear it for Carrie Nichols. Walk the runway, girl. Stand it. Let's hear it for Miss Gay America, Carrie Nichols. Welcome this evening. We hope you have a good time. Let's hear it once again for Carrie Nichols, the reigning Miss Gay America. Another special guest in the house tonight is the reigning Miss National for Female Impersonators. Let's hear it for Tanisha Iman. Let's hear it. Come on, give her a big welcome, Tanisha Iman. Let's hear once again for Tanisha Iman. Thank you. Enjoy yourself this evening. And fresh from a jet from Honolulu, Hawaii, we got in the house Miss World, Kelly Ray. Let's hear it for Kelly. How long, girl? You'll have to stop and shave your beard halfway down as well. Let's hear it for Kelly Ray. Come on. And we want to make mention of also the National Entertainer of the Year is the former Miss Gay USA, and that is Coco. So let's hear it for Coco. She's here. She'll be performing. She is National Entertainer of the Year. And we have another a lady in the house tonight that's a former Miss USA. She just won the International Show Queen pageant in Honolulu. That promotes her all the way from Honolulu. Let's hear it for Cezanne, of course. At this time, we have a special great friend of mine coming up here to give out something special. Let's welcome to stage Alan Gilman from Twin Magazine. Let's hear it for Twin Magazine.
I know her. Are you sure? Yes. Have you had her?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are y'all doing tonight? Hospitality chairperson for the USA pageant. I'd like to welcome you all here, those of you who are from out of town. I would like to say welcome to Dallas. We're very pleased and honored to have the contest And whereas USA Pageantry inspires hundreds of current and former title holders to be of service to their communities in fundraising and charities throughout the year. And whereas USA Pageantry hosts this USA pageant brings visitors and participants to Dallas, where the pageant would generate hundreds of thousands of dollars to the local economy. And whereas USA Pageantry offers the opportunity for self-improvement to those who strive to better themselves through the art of female impersonation. And whereas USA Pageantry will host the 1996 USA Pageant, welcomes visitors from across the United States and other countries to Dallas, and shows them all the best that Dallas has to offer in the spirit of true Texas hospitality. Therefore, I, Councilman Chris Luna and Councilman Craig McDaniel, and on behalf of the Dallas City Council, do hereby commend USA Pageantry and proclaim May 24, 1996 as Miss Gay USA Day in the city of Dallas. Continuously encourages his participants as entertainers in the art of female impersonation to be of service to their communities and provide positive role models. And whereas Jerry Bird, as Chief Executive Officer of USA Pageantry, is the leading promoter of the art of female impersonation in the United States. And whereas Jerry M. Bird is personally committed to the fight against AIDS and continues to financially support AIDS research, education, and community involvement with AIDS services throughout Texas and across the United States. And whereas Jerry M. Bird, as producer of the 1996 Miss Gay USA pageant, has brought this most prestigious crowning achievement in the art of female impersonation to the great city of Dallas. And whereas Jerry M. Bird has selected Dallas as the site for his national finals and generated thousands of dollars in the local economy, now therefore I, Ron Burke, Mayor of the City of Dallas, do hereby extend special recognition to Jerry Bird for his achievement in promotion of the art of female impersonation and declare him an honorary citizen of Dallas, Texas.
Tremendously hard to express to you right now how I truly feel. Y'all want to crack me, that's not easy to do. I cannot begin to express to you my sincere thanks for the support that this event has brought to me and the people that took a chance. For many years, y'all knew one system in this town, and you'll never know how thankful I am that y'all have allowed us to come here to do our event to entertain Dallas. It gives me great pleasure tonight to be able to give $2,500 to Tandy Andrews Benevolent Fund. Because of your generosity, I will write a check for $1,500 tomorrow for Dallas AIDS Organization. I say thank you. You'll never know how much this community needs, and I hope you have a good evening. Thank you.
Is from Orlando, Florida. The big old gal from the South. She's a former Miss USA at large, former Miss Continental Plus, whatever worker. She's Miss Pan America. She does it all. She does everything. Runs her mouth, she drinks, she entertains, and she's a party gal, and I love you, darling. Let's hear it for Carmela Marcella Garcia.
Once again
We must first say thanks to a few people that have worked incredibly this week. First of all, our pageant director, Craig Henderson, and his assistants, Dave and Deborah. Big hand. Work. Thanks. And we had a host bar that has been one of our favorites. It has been so incredibly wonderful at the Village Station this year. The staff, the management, everyone connected to the Village Cabin Enterprises, they're in the house tonight. We must give a huge round of applause to the Village Station. It was my pleasure. You were great. Thank you. And of course, we must say thank you to two little gals from right here in this room. Veronica and Debbie have worked very hard, and all of their staff working with us so hard, putting this pageant on this week. Let's hear it for everyone at the Dallas Grand Hotel. Thank you, girls. You've been very kind. And I'm ready to go sit down, darling. It's your game. Let's hear it for Carmela Marcel Garcia. She's going to come up here and do the talent competition. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Bubba McNeely, who I just knocked upside the head. Yes, the Christian portion of this show.